think we're gonna drive down, where are we at here? We're gonna head towards town. We're gonna go down this road. Laurel Creek Road, that's the road that feeds into Cades Cove.
Okay.
We're gonna follow it down Laurel Creek Road, and we're gonna go all the way up to catch Little River Gorge Road.
Okay.
That's where the T is, and we're going to drive up to the sinks, and then we're going to look at all
we've been wanting to do that.
Yeah, then we're going to look at all the little spots along the way, on the way back or the way to. But the sinks is where our main spot we're going. So
it started, yay!
It started, yay! No clicky clicky.
Yeah, no clicky.
Are you doing that every time now?
Well, maybe.
Maybe.
And you did lock the camper.
Yeah, I locked the camper.
You know, that's different. But yeah, they do have a van like this. Oh, I probably should have grabbed my sunglasses. Oh well. With my hat, it'll kind of give me shade.
So there's a bear hanging out up here.
That's what she said. Like up here to the left. Yeah. Huh, a young one.
Yeah. Maybe we'll have to walk down around here and see if we can see it.
Yeah. Poor little guy. Is he in here because of not, running out of space? Other places.
Found some food in here.
Yeah, And who knows, someone may have fed it.
That's true too.
Mm-hmm. Which they're not supposed to do.
No, we're not. We're supposed to be feeding the bears.
No. There's his.
You got a hard job there holding that post up.
It wiggled a minute ago.
Oh, okay. You keep an eye on it.
It's not just as easy as it looks.
Okay.
That's cute.
Met him and his wife at church. And met them last year with all the problems with the camper, the truck. Oh, that's pretty. We'll have to get ourselves down here. Look at that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's part of where at the end of our at the end of our road. Yeah.
pretty through here.
I love it. Whoa. They crossed over.
We got about ran over by a pink Jeep.
Yeah. Look out. They're probably looking like we're looking. Not paying attention.
Oh, look at that, a little waterfall there.
That's neat. I don't see a pull off though.
It was back there.
Oh, right here's one.
Well, there's one, a blacktop one down there.
Okay.
I may just hit them all. We look to see what's there, then move to the next one.
Yeah, that might work because I'm not going to remember all this. Are you?
Yeah, I mean, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
So, see, that one had a line too. So I'm thinking, any I see like that, I'm just going to pull over.
Yeah.
We'll see what it looks like.
Yep.
And then move on.
Look at the sun shining on it.
All right, there must be something here because the Jeep thing stopped. I'm gonna go ahead and pull into here.
Yeah, there's a lot of people stopped here.
So we're right there between us back there. That's Meigs Falls.
Yeah.
That was kind of a bonus.
Yeah.
I knew it was on the way. I knew it was on the side of the road.
I just did.
But yeah, we saw this beautiful pull off, and all this is around here, including this neat waterfall. That's a pretty little fall. I think it's almost prettier than Abrams Falls.
Yeah. Okay, that was on the list, right?
Yeah, right.
I didn't even know that was back in there.
Right here, Meigs Falls.
Yeah. Okay,
so we will mark
perfect.
that as.
Seen. Or yeah.
I'll have
Pinned.
to change that when we get internet. Yeah, Sinks is next.
Okay.
It's just right up around
Not too far. Hopefully there's a place to park.
It should be.
I didn't even know that was in there.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think I've ever noticed that when we
No,
would drive.
I hadn't.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I love that.
Am I on it?
I don't know.
Can't
Are you zoomed out all the way?
tell. How much? Oh, got trees. Still looks, yeah, it's too many trees. Is that it right there?
Yep.
Oh boy.
It's parking lot.
Oh, I know, but sometimes it's full. It doesn't look full though, does
No.
it? No. Good. Now, do we go further up from here or do we go
No,
back?
this was it.
Okay.
There's a spot all the way down there, and it'll be easier for me to get in.
Okay. Oh, at the end by the handicap.
Actually, I'm
Oh.
going back into one of these.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's shady too. Now on the weekend, this would be packed.
Yep.
Now, is there a trail?
Yeah, I think there are.
But we're
trails
not
here.
doing the trails.
No. You got that looking at me like he's adorable look or something. I don't know. What was that look you were giving me?
Well, I was thinking, I hope he has his keys.
Oh,
before
okay.
not locking
Well, we already remember we're going through that now.
That was
Only
kind of the
lock
look.
your vehicle with the fob.
Yeah.
That way you won't lock your keys in the car. Uh-oh, smallmouth bass. Hey, get in there.
No, it says that from this body
Yeah, they're gonna
of
chew on
water
you,
contain
too.
contaminants
Oh,
of levels thought to increase the risk of cancer or other illness in humans.
yeah,
So
drowning.
you might not want to catch
Yeah, no swimming either.
no swimming either. Yeah.
Yeah. Ready to go swimming?
No.
You gonna jump off? Oh, here we are. We're at the sinks.
The sinks. Yes.
The sinks. So I've heard so much about it. We finally made it here. It's a really neat spot. Laurel will tell you a little bit about it. It's a kind of cool looking. So,
Yeah.
But it's a natural man-made beauty. This one is. So we'll try to shoot a little bit of video around here, and we'll continue our adventures on this road. So off we go.
Oh.
Oh, isn't that beautiful?
Timber to tourism.
Go ahead and
So I
wanna
bet.
read it.
Do you want me to read it?
Yeah.
Is my mic still on? Dead cat. Dead cat. Dead cat. Dead cat.
Yep, dead cat, dead cat.
Okay, the road you travel today to reach the sinks follows an abandoned railroad bed. In the early 1900s, large mechanized logging companies used trains to move timber from the forests to sawmills. The Little River Lumber Company laid tracks from Townsend to Elkmont in 1908. Within a year of completing the railroad, the company began offering tourist excursions to the area. The same trains that carried timber out of the mountains now brought in people attracted by the Smoky's scenic beauty. Logging at Elkmont ceased in 1925. The train tracks are pulled up and replaced by a gravel road. Tourism boomed as automobiles now clattered along the old mountain route of the steam engines. That's cool.
Get
Onto the-
head on back, start heading
Yeah,
back.
sounds good.
Yeah. That is so pretty.
So this was man-made.
Yeah, did you read that little part?
No, I don't think I did. What little part? Oh, no, I did
That
not.
part.
This part?
Yeah.
I did not read that part.
Yeah.
Should I read it?
Yeah.
The swirling waters of the Little River cascade over a man-made waterfall at the sinks. Before trains rumbled through the Smokies, loggers used the river to float timber to mills. During a flood in the late 1800s, a massive log jam formed here in a bend of the river. Loggers used dynamite to free the logs. The explosion blasted a deep hole in the rocky stream bed, creating the sinks and altering the river course. Oh, yeah. I did not read that.
Yeah, they blasted it. The river used to go around through here, and then there was a log jam there,
and
they blasted it, so now it cut off going
around.
Now it's coming right through here.
And they call it the sinks because it's like a sink
It's a big
then, I
giant
guess.
hole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I did not read that.
drop that.
Water rushing underneath the bridge. Back to the truck we go. Sure you don't want to jump off the rock?
I am very
Oh, you didn't bring your
positive.
swimming suit. Is
No,
that it?
that's it. Yeah, no swim.
Pearl didn't bring her swimming suit since she can't go jumping off the rock. Let's see here.
I think I almost like that Meigs Waterfall better,
Yeah.
almost.
Well, the Sinks is just neat because of the,
What happened, the story of it
Yeah.
and how it was made. Yeah,
yeah.
that's true.
All right, moving out.
So I bet that, I think that, yeah, because it said from Townsend to Elkmont. So Townsend probably, when it was a railroad,
Yep,
was involved with that,
yep.
that lumber
Yeah, because they had all that lumber in this area. I think they
company or
owned all
whatever.
this
Yeah.
land probably.
What's that?
They probably had all this land for their lumber company.
Yeah.
All right, we're heading back. We're going to see if we can see Crane, what is it? Cane Creek Twin Falls.
Ooh,
I don't know if it's available from the road or not.
well, we'll see.
We'll see if we can see it. Little yellow car. You almost got some munchkin.
They get on the line, don't they? I wonder if it was going too fast because it was little. Same with that. Look at that. I think people are looking around. Ooh. Whoa, I wondered if you were going to hit that.
I was going to get over
I know.
or hit that than
A car.
in a car.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if it's a car coming over and hitting me, this would be the perfect side.
Would it?
Oh,
With
yeah,
all the
all the
rust.
rust.
Yeah.
Just tear the whole side of the truck up, please.
Yeah, we don't care.
Well, actually, I do care.
Well, yeah, but I mean, probably not as much
We'd
as.
still be able to drive home.
Yeah. Probably not as much as the other car.
No.
I guess it depends on how new or old the other car is.
Twin Creek Falls. We haven't found the other one. I only see one. Pearl and I, we stopped here, pulled off real quick. We're at Twin Creek Falls. It's back there behind us. There it is. So anyways, we're working our way back to camp.
Yeah.
Ooh, we're walking together now.
But we
We're bumping to you.
We only saw the one, and it
Yeah.
said twin.
So we're not
So-
sure where the other one's at.
Yeah. Or maybe there used to be one, and it's not here anymore.
Or maybe it needs more water. I don't know.
Yeah, more water. So did you say there is another stop, or just that one?
Just those
area?
ones we
That
saw.
one area.
Those areas we want to stop at along.
Yeah.
There was another falls, but it's on the other side of the road.
Yeah, that's fine. I didn't realize there was like falls through here. I guess. And this is what we were going to do last year
Yeah.
in 2021.
Yep.
That day, and the truck said no.
No, truck said no.
You stay in here at the campground.
I want to go for a ride on top of a wrecker. Oh man. Ugh.
Yeah, right? That'd be not easy. So pretty. And it's so peaceful, you know, when it's all quiet. When you can just hear the water over the rocks.
It's cooled down enough in here.
Is it here? No, there's not a lot of moss. Or maybe it was. I can't tell. No, it's not here because there's no pull off.
This is it coming up here, I think.
Okay. Yeah, because none of it's been looking familiar. I'm like, have I missed it? I don't think I have. Yeah, that's it. Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah. Yep, that's it. Yeah.
So somebody likes these moss-covered rocks, huh? So peaceful, so tranquil, just here in the water. Every time we drive by here, Pearl's like,
There's those moss-covered rocks.
yeah, it's like one of her favorite spots as we drive in on the way in to the campground. She always loves this part.
Yeah.
So we'll
Always
head back.
catches my eye.
Yep. So I'll pull in and share it with y'all. So then I'll back to the truck. Going back to the camp. I think that's pretty much the last stop.
I think so.
Yeah, so we'll head back to the truck. All right, that was a neat little stop.
Yes, it was.
Back in the truck here. And, there.
Now I can drink some more water.
Yeah.
Since we're heading towards bathrooms.
Yeah, those guys, we got it made. The ladies now, it's a different problem.
Yeah.
That mics are working still.
It was a fun day.
Yes, it was. And we got bears.
We got bears.
That'd probably be another video.
Yeah.
I'm probably getting 2 or 3 videos out of today.
Yeah, we did a lot.
I guess everybody needs to let me know. Do you like these longer, more in depth, or I mean, I could have packed everything we did in today in one video, but the odds are today it's going to be 2 or 3 videos
Broken
at least.
Still kind of trying to figure it out, aren't we?
Yeah, that's just how I feel like making them.
Oh, that's right, because it's your channel.
Uh-huh. It's our channel.
That's right, our channel.
That and when I'm old and I can't move around and all I can do is chase Pearl with my walker,
Oh,
we
yeah.
can sit back and watch these
Sit and
videos.
watch this. Oh,
Yep.
that'll be nice.
Give me one of those little grabby claw things I can pinch her with. And I want a horn. I want a horn so I can beep at people. Get out of my way, you rotten kids.
Yeah.
And the other will be, hey, mow my grass. No, I'm going to tell you, mow my yard.
Mow the yard.
Mow the yard. You can play in it, but mow it.
Stay on it, but with a mower.
That's right. You're going to be in my yard, you better start mowing. There's a weed whacker over there. Get trimming. I guess tomorrow, make sure I'm up by 8.
You're going to be up by 8?
I'll be up by 8.
Okay.
Especially if we're going to bed early-ish.
Well, that's about the time I woke up this morning. Well, it was cool, and I just felt so good laying in bed. And it's like, I think I got up about 8:15.
Okay.
So it wasn't much before, or 20 till, something like that. But yes, I will, if you went up at 8, I will do that.
Yep.
And we're doing Pigeon Forge, you said, right?
Pigeon Forge.
Okay, and it's warm tomorrow, right?
And it's warm.
I do think today was a better day to do this than yesterday, because yesterday there was a lot of clouds.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm glad that it was sunny today. That's what I was hoping.
And we got bears!
We got bears! Woohoo! Well, everybody's coming out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dinner time. Getting close to dinner time. Mm-hmm.
That's exactly it.
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, look at that. Okay, so you know not to want to leave the park.
Yeah, you don't want to leave the park at 4:30.
Probably between
4 and 5.
4 and 5. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, look at this.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, if you want something sweet, I could drop you off here. You can run into the camp store and get you something sweet.
Nah, that's fine. I don't need it.
Okay.
No. I could always just munch on the checks. That would be fine for me if I had, something I wanted to munch on, or the nutcrackers. We didn't make it to the end of our road yet.
No, but we still have
A few more days.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a rockwood. I think there's a rockwood across from us. Did he get over?
not much.
Not much. Or did you? I guess it's not a very wide road, is it? in a basket of towels. Well, they got a bottle of wine. Guess that's wine. Made it.
Made it.
Made it. I'm gonna take one of these waters in.
The adventure is done.
Yep.
Woohoo.
Mm-hmm.
Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.